from Sooner Standards, Transforming Data into Useful Visualizations, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standards 7.DA.CVT.01. Students learn to collect data using computational tools and transform the data to make it more useful and reliable. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart for choosing the right chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Dalton's of no prep HQM aligned instruction across 33 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.